Hello everyone, today I'm making croquetas. We're gonna start by chopping some onions. I use that blender. I'm gonna put some oil in a saucepan. I'm just using olive oil, you can use any oil you want. And we're gonna saute those onions with nutmeg, salt and pepper. I use some nutmeg because I really like how the bechamel, which is what we're making in here, tastes with that nut. Once the onions are all cooked, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of normal flour. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna mix everything well together to cook that dough. And when we see that everything is well combined, we're gonna add some milk. You can use any kind of milk you want. And this is very important, we're gonna keep mixing so it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. You will see that over time it thickens up, and we want a texture where we can actually separate the middle and see the bottom of the saucepan. Just like that. I'm taking half of a bechamel out because I'm making 2 types of croquetas. One made of spinaches and cashew nuts, and other ones made of chicken. I'm gonna cook everything together. In the meantime, we're gonna get that chicken, thread it. I just boiled some chicken. And then we can mix everything with the bechamel. And this is the filling done. So we have the spinaches with the cashews and the chicken. In a container, we're gonna add 1 egg and some milk. We're gonna mix everything. In a second container, we're gonna put some breadcrumbs. With 2 spoons, we're gonna get a bit of that dough. We're gonna wash it into the egg and pass it onto the bread. We're gonna use all the bread to wrap around. And that's it. 1 croqueta is done. You can also deep fry them. And we're gonna do the same with the chicken. There you go. Those are my spinach and cashew nuts croquetas and the chicken ones. I'm gonna make them in the air fryer. You can always spray them with a bit of oil before you put them in, or you can just deep fry them. These are very nice. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you make them, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.